Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings to you all. Once again, you are welcome back again to this channel. Let's get right into this video. Today, I will be sharing with you how to package a party jollof rice as a takeaway. Are you interested? Is that what you are interested to see? Let's get right into the video. So this is a takeaway I'm going to be using. And this takeaway has a different type. This one can be microwave. So I will go ahead and feed them one after the other. Before I continue, let me holler my wonderful people in the house. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. I truly appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be forced to be notified. Can you see? And it will be going with moi. Oh my God, this is great and yummy. Super delicious. Can you see it's really large? So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'll go ahead and serve the meat on top of it. I'll make sure that the meat goes round. Please, if you have not liked this video, please go ahead and like the video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. That is the only way you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Trust me, we are uploading soon again. So at this point, I am done serving the meat on it. I'll go ahead and close it one after the other. And when you are doing this, make sure you take your time. If it's not well closed, it can mess up the whole place. Make sure you take your time while you are closing it. Yes. Please subscribe if you have not done so. And I will also see your beautiful comment also in the comment section below. I want to hear something from you guys. Is this video helpful to someone? If the answer is yes, I would also love to see it in the comment section below. The good part of this takeaway, once it gets to the reception ground, it's just a stress-free. Once it gets to the time to serve it, stress-free. Can't you see it's really wonderful? It's great. And in case if you live where we live here in Barcelona, Spain, you can contact us. We make all kinds of food for any event. Pass our information to your loved ones. We'll give them a good service. And if you have watched all to this point, thanks so much and we truly love you. Help us to share this video. Let it go viral. If this video is helpful to you, help us to share the video. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, you can't really eat this food without spoon, but I'm going to be wrapping it on a separate ground. So this is how I will go about it. So I will just go ahead to do all the spoon needed. Can you see? It's done. So this is the last packaging of the food part that I'm going to be doing. Once I put the food inside the nylon, I'll put the spoon. And it will go with moi each of them. Oh my God, this party is going to be great. Who are you going to serve this one to? that will not be happy coming to such party. If they even have money in their pocket, they will spray everything. Oh my God, this is good. So this is how I'm going to repeat it until I am fully done. Do you like what you are saying? Brother, sister, have you liked this video? Or do you want to finish it before you like it? Please go ahead and like it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. That is the only way you can support us, and that is the only way you can see the next one we are going to upload. And the next one is coming soon again, and the next one is going to be great. And make sure you also share this video. Share it among your friends. Guys, we are almost done. Note this, guys. In case if you want to learn how to make this party jollof rice, I have the video already on my channel. I will be putting the link below for you. And it's a step by step. And it has been a help to many. It will also be a help to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.